Top Interior Wall Decorating Ideas 2023. Welcome to our channel. Looking to spruce up your living spaces with the latest interior wall decorating ideas of 2023? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll showcase the trendiest and most innovative ways to transform your walls into stunning focal points that reflect your unique style and personality. From mesmerizing accent walls to eye-catching art installations, we've got you covered. Get ready to be inspired as our expert interior designers take you on a visual journey through a plethora of creative wall decor concepts. Whether you love a minimalist, modern look or prefer a bohemian, eclectic vibe, we have ideas for every taste and budget. Here are some highlights you can expect from this video. Statement Wallpaper. Explore the latest wallpaper designs that add drama and personality to any room. Nature-inspired murals. Bring the outdoors in with breathtaking nature-themed wall murals that evoke tranquility and harmony. 3D wall panels. Discover the magic of three-dimensional, textured wall panels that create depth and intrigue. Gallery walls. Learn how to curate an artful display of your favorite paintings, prints, and photographs. Sustainable wall decor. Embrace eco-friendly materials and DIY projects that contribute to a greener planet. LED wall art. Experience the future with illuminated LED installations that elevate your home's ambience. Vintage wall decor. Dive into nostalgia with classic vintage accents that add timeless charm to any space. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting interior design content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these ideas inspiring. Share your thoughts and favorite wall decor styles in the comments below. Happy decorating!